and I'm all here to make the environment little lighter क्योंकि यहाँ drugs, environment, political issues के बारे में बात हो रही है. Well, I'm here not as a speaker, and not as an expert for sure, but I'm here as an artist, as an entrepreneur who chose a very unusual path for herself, which is arts. And by arts, I mean painting. ऐसा field जिसको एक field माना भी नहीं जाता. And sir, यहाँ पे the first speaker who mentioned about social media, ऐसा है, वैसा है. Let me tell you, social media, if used in the right direction, is your gallery. It is my gallery because of which I display my art. My art is breathing in more than 30 countries all over the world. It is only and only because of social media. And if used in the right direction. Of course, being in a city like Jammu, I love Jammu. I adore this city. I am absolutely thankful for what Jammu has given to me. I am absolutely in love with Kashmir, the beauty of Kashmir. And it inspires me so much. No doubt there are challenges. There are challenges in every field. There are challenges in every walks of life. But it is on us as individuals, as the creators, as artists, as the workers, that how we have to direct ourselves, how we have to use our creative muscles to, put ourselves right there in front of people. And of course, there are just two things I'd like to say about what my personal experience actually. When we talk about art, painting के बारे में, I'm sure everybody will be able to relate with me because हम जब बोलते हैं कि I want to be an artist, the first question comes is that even a profession? Does it have a proper career? एक महीने में कितने पैसे कमा लोगे? Will you be able to earn enough bread for yourself? I think this mindset, there needs to be mindset shift from looking at the artist not as dreamers, but actually as the contributors to the society, to the economy. I think when I represent myself at different national platforms and I say that I'm from Jammu, I feel extremely proud क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग हैं, बहुत कम creators हैं जम्मू के जो actually बाहर जाकर अपने आप को represent करते हैं as artists. There are businessmen, there are actors, there are musicians from Jammu, but painting artists, I think this is a very touchy topic for me because I did it all by myself. There's not been any godfather. I'm not an art student, by the way. I've never studied arts. I'm an MBA. I've been working I worked as an academic researcher in Jammu University. I've taught international marketing in Jammu University. Yet I'm here standing in front of you, and I'm very thankful to Jammu. Use this podium actually to thank Jammu as a city for recognizing. But at the same time, I really hope that institutions, the government institutions, universities, the local authorities, the civic bodies, they commission art from local artists. And bahar se bhi theek hai, but I think local artists, we have a lot of talent in Kathua. I know these girls from Udhampur, oh my God, they are amazing. What painting they do, jo intricacy, jo detail wo artwork mein lati hai, it's amazing. It's just that they don't have a platform. It's just that jo hamari gallery hai, art gallery in Jammu, unfortunately, it does not really meet the standard of any basic national gallery. Unfortunately, I hope sometime in future मैं उसमें कुछ अपनी तरफ से जो कर पाऊंगी मैं वो करूंगी, given a chance for sure. मुझे उसका procedure नहीं पता, but जब पता चलेगा, of course I would want to do something for my city again. So yes, I think I would just like to conclude here by saying that art, painting, if nurtured in the right direction, I think art can lead Jammu to a new identity, an identity that is led by creativity. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. You've been a great audience. Thank you.